Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Okay, so today we're gonna make some chicken skewers, some shrimp, and some rice. So we're gonna do something real simple. So I got my 5-minute rice, 1 cup of rice, and 1 cup of water. I got the air fryer kind of heating up, doing what it needs to do. I marinated my chicken last night so that the flavor will be locked in. I also marinated my shrimp so that everything will be locked in. So we're gonna put it on the screw. I can't even talk, so y'all forgive me. Certain things I can't pronounce. So see these? So I already got my meat right here marinated. So I put it in the refrigerator overnight. I'm gonna do some shrimp and some chicken. And I got the shrimp seasoned. And I got the chicken. So these is going to be too long to go in the air fryer. So I already seasoned them in my whatever season you want. Like these is going to be like the teriyaki kind. So I got the chicken breast right and I already seasoned it. We're going to take the right through. Okay, take it right through, and now these will be too long to go into the air fryer, so we're gonna have to cut it. Maybe I should just break it. Yeah, because they're gonna be too long. They can't just go into the air fryer like that. Again. And when we cook these, we're gonna put it on like let's see, put it on 20 minutes for the first time, and if it need more, then you do more. Okay, okay. So I hope y'all having a good Friday. My Friday is going awesome. So we're gonna take some spray the air fryer. Okay. And we're gonna take them and put them in here. The shrimp don't take too long to do. So we're gonna do the chicken first. Okay, the chicken is gonna be done first. And the leftover marinade, just put it right there on top. So I already preheated the air fryer, so I'm gonna let that go for like 20 minutes. And if you need more time, then you give it more time, okay? Yeah, if you wind up needing more time, give it more time. So I hope that everybody Friday is going okay. My Friday is going awesome. I haven't cooked in a while, so I was like, let me start my cooking. Let me cook. And y'all see that I just did my makeup and I'm under this light. That's what I say. I'm telling you, honey. When you do that makeup and you get under these lights, yo, it be just, I can be seeing it on a celebrity. It don't be blending. I was telling my one friend, she don't wear makeup. Like, she's not a girly girl. So I was like, the makeup, when you get under these lights and stuff, like if it's not, you know, or whatever, the high definition makeup, you will see your highlights, your lows, your this, your that, and then I just did this part, so the powder is still. So if I'm looking like Casper, the Friendly Ghost, that's why. But I hope y'all having an awesome day. My day is going great, and I appreciate y'all being here. And y'all know what? You get on social media and y'all see a lot of stuff, right? And you might see a lot of people and you just think, oh my God, these people are so happy. Their relationships is so perfect and all this. And you know, you see something and you believe what you see on the internet, and it's perceptions. It's perceptions. And a lot of times, you know, everything we see on the internet is not real. And some of the people that we probably thinking okay on the internet, sometimes they're not, you know. So it's like, yes, everything can be perception. And sometimes, guys, I won't be okay. You know what I mean? I don't be okay. The internet can be kind of a mean place, but I just really try to just be authentic, be myself, and just get on here. And it's a healthy outlet, but also y'all know what comes with the internet, a lot of crazy stuff. So we're gonna let this chicken do what it do, let the rice do what it do, and then when the chicken almost get done, we'll get back to the shrimps. But thank y'all for listening, thank y'all for being here, and thank the people that's here. And when y'all here, and y'all be kind, I really appreciate, you know, y'all kindness, because sometimes I be having a bad day, a rough day, and I get on here and I read a lot of the comments, and I be grateful. And Gino want to say good morning. You want to say good morning? Say I'm here. You want to say you here? Say I'm here, and I'm a good baby. You a good baby, Gino? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Toodles.